Hello everyone. We are doing a database project with two datasets. The primary dataset has all the road accidents happened in New York since the year 2012 till date, with the exact time and location. And the secondary dataset has the number of people killed and injured, their vehicle types, and the cause of these accidents. With these datasets, we have come up with intuitive visualizations and insights which would be helpful for the top auto and health insurance companies in New York. This is our first visualization, which reflects the accidents happened in the New York state. We have distributed the data on the basis of 5 boroughs of New York, namely Bronx, Brooklyn, Staten Island, Manhattan, and Queens. The Viz also shows the names of the streets on which the accidents took place. Dot mark shapes on the Viz represents the locations at which the accident took place and with no deaths. The cross mark shapes indicate the accident locations at which the deaths are reported. Size of the cross marks indicate the number of people killed in those accidents. The Viz also gives information about the reasons for these accidents. For example, some of the reasons include alcohol involvement, overspeeding, cell phone usage, and aggressive driving. This Viz shows a dashboard which gives the top contributing factors for the accidents. Locations of these accidents will be marked on selection of any contributing factor. The next Viz shows the types of vehicle involved for the maximum number of records in each borough. The boroughs are differentiated using different colors, where each bubble represents a type of vehicle involved in these accidents. For instance, as you can see in the Viz hovering over the bubble, it shows Brooklyn has 87,670 accidents, which has passenger vehicle involved. Similarly, hovering over the second largest bubble of Brooklyn shows that the sports utility vehicles are the second largest number of vehicles that are involved in Brooklyn. From this Viz, a couple of vital insights could be useful for auto insurance companies where they can quote a premium based on the vehicle type in these boroughs. For example, in Manhattan, owners of passenger utility vehicles could be charged a higher premium since these vehicle types are involved in most number of accidents in that borough. And the next Viz shows the hourly distribution of the total number of accidents happened from 2012 till date. It also gives the number of people injured and killed during a day. As we can see from this Viz, the accidents and the number of people involved from 4 to 7 p.m. is much greater than the entire time. Also, the number of people getting injured and killed increase in the same time frame. This information is helpful for auto and medical insurance companies. The auto insurance companies can charge higher premium for people commuting in their vehicles in this time frame, and the same is applicable for medical insurance companies, where they could charge higher premium for individuals commuting in this time frame. This Viz shows the different boroughs, number of persons killed, and the number of accidents involved, and the contributing factors for these accidents in these respective boroughs. As you can see, the map colored based on the contributing factors, some of which are alcohol involvement, usage of cell phone, drugs, etc. From this Viz, the insights that we can provide to the insurance companies are: the insurance companies could charge a higher premium for people who are active alcohol consumers and people with physical disabilities. They can also keep a check on their driving records and quote a premium based on experience of the driver. This Viz gives a trend line of the total number of accidents taking place across an year for all the 4 years. The width of the line gives the number of people killed. One insight which we can give from this Viz are the number of accidents, the number of people killed are increasing from June. This can be useful insight for insurance providers as they can consider charging higher premium for customers who are planning to buy insurance during that period. This list shows the number of accidents as well as the number of people killed in each borough for all the years. We can also show a trend line forecasting the number of accidents and the people getting killed for next year 2016 in each borough. The insurance companies can use the information and insights for selling insurance products to their existing and new customers, ultimately increasing the business value.